It is possible to build a ship or boat that may go under the water, unto the bottom, and so to come up again, at your pleasure. William Bowen, 1580. The Sinking of the Hunley. An historically inaccurate account of the first fish boat. In the autumn of 1863, President Jeff Davis launches his secret weapon. The submersible is the brainchild of Confederate spy and engineer Horace L. Hunley. Hunley is no stranger to submersibles. His grandfather invented the Revolutionary War submarine, the Turtle. The Turtle was designed expressly for General Washington. Sadly, the aft seacocks had been left open, allowing the ballast tanks to overflow. While the brave crew of the H.L. Hunley quietly suffocate, the vessel's namesake attends to less perilous matters. Hunley claims his machine is not to blame for the deaths of the first crew. He cites reports of a Prussian black octopus and blames the cephalopod. Local newspapers quickly debunk the outlandish statement. Charleston Telegraph, get to Charleston Telegraph. Despite logic and common sense, Hunley's loyal supporters remain steadfast. However, in private quarters, Hunley is crippled with guilt. The opulence of my lifestyle has become odious. I know now what I must do. I'm compelled by my conscience to captain the next crew of my fair vessel. But first I need some delicate sweets. Chartreuse truffles drizzled in camel oil atop golden grape heaps. Horace Hunley. Meanwhile, the Union's great southern blockade tightens its grip. The Housatonic, a sloop of war, under the command of Rear Admiral William Rogers Taylor, she arrives in Charleston Harbor to join the South Atlantic blockade. Hunley delays the second launch to allow for his favorite pump organist to accompany the mission. Once Ferdinand Habsburg and his pump organ are secured inside the sub, the Hunley is launched yet again. Look, is that a giant tin porpoise with musical notes emanating from it? Deckhand on the USS Housatonic. Reinforced by the Hunley enlisting badly, the USS Housatonic fights on furiously. Play faster, you idiot! We're sinking! Chorus Hunley. Almost every member of the Housatonic's crew escaped alive. However, every man on the Hunley perished, along with its inventor. If I'd have known the contraption was gonna kill more of my men than theirs, I never would have bought the damn thing. And General P.T. Beauregard.